Hi ladies, thanks for joining. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you do subscribe by the end of this video. And today I'm going to talk about 3 things that men find beautiful in a woman. Number 1 is your attitude. That's like 90% of everything. If you have a bad attitude, nobody want to be with you. That's bad because you're giving out bad energy, and nobody wants bad or negative energy around them all day. Your attitude says it all. If you have a bad attitude, everything you're arguing and you're fighting, you look for a fight for every little thing, or you're walking around with your face with an attitude, that's not cute. He don't want that. Don't nobody want that. You don't even want a man that has a bad attitude. So work on your attitude, fix your attitude. Let's talk about number 2. Number 2 is you notice the little things that he does. Men love appreciation. And when you appreciate the little things that he has done, he's going to start doing the bigger things. If he goes to the store and he buys you a pack of gum because he remembers that you like this particular pack of gum, say, "Oh my gosh, babe, thank you so much for buying me this pack of gum." Men love that. And trust me, he might buy you a car. That's the next thing. So learn to appreciate every little thing that he does, because when you appreciate the little things, he's going to do the bigger things. So let's talk about number 3. Number 3 is happiness. I do not know how much I have to stress this, but happiness is such a key. It's shown in your body, it's shown on how you dress, it's shown in how you walk. You got to be happy. You got to own it. If you're not happy, nobody can make you happy, because trust me, it's not the man's responsibility to make you happy. It's your responsibility to stay happy. You being with a man is just him adding to your happiness. He's not the one who's going to make you happy. He's the one that's just adding to what you already have. He's adding to your wholeness. So if you're happy, he's going to see that, oh, this girl's always happy. I need this kind of girl around me. So, but if you're always sad and, oh, my boyfriend left me, who cares? Why you always talking about him? If you still love him, then go back to him. Stop always being moody and have a, that's not good. So be happy, be whole by yourself, so that when you do meet somebody, he's going to add, he's not going to subtract. You're going to also, when both people are happy, it's just one. So these are 3 things that men find beautiful in a woman. I love you. Please leave a comment if you have anything to say. Bye guys. Bye.